Welcome to this class, where I will compare two popular virtualization platforms, VirtualBox and VMware. Let's dive into the world of virtual machines and explore their features and differences. VirtualBox and VMware are both widely used virtualization software allowing you to run multiple operating systems on a single physical machine. They offer powerful features and flexibility for various use cases. VirtualBox, developed by Oracle, is an open-source virtualization software. It provides a rich set of features for desktop virtualization and is available for Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Solaris. Some key features of VirtualBox include cross-platform compatibility, easy setup and user-friendly interface, support for a wide range of guest operating systems, snapshot functionality for saving and restoring VM states, seamless integration between host and guest systems, extensible through VirtualBox extension packs. Open source nature allows community contributions and enhancements. VMware, on the other hand, is a suite of virtualization products developed by VMware Incorporated. It offers a range of solutions for both desktop and enterprise virtualization. Let's explore some notable features of VMware. Robust virtualization platform with advanced capabilities. High-performance virtualization engine. Extensive support for enterprise-level features. Seamless integration with VMware ecosystem and management tools. Advanced networking and storage options. Comprehensive security features. Extensive documentation and professional support. While VirtualBox and VMware both provide virtualization solutions, there are some key differences to consider. VirtualBox is open source and free to use, while VMware offers various commercial editions with different licensing models. VMware is known for its high-performance virtualization engine and optimization for enterprise-level workloads, while VirtualBox may have some performance limitations in certain scenarios. VMware offers several advanced features and management tools specifically designed for enterprise environments. VirtualBox, being open source, may have a more limited feature set. VirtualBox benefits from an active open source community, whereas VMware provides professional support and extensive documentation. In conclusion, VirtualBox and VMware are powerful virtualization platforms with strengths and target audiences. The choice between them depends on your specific requirements, budget, and level of expertise. I hope this class has provided you with a better understanding of VirtualBox and VMware. Remember to assess your needs and explore the features of each platform before making your decision.